In Japan, we use short grain rice because it allows to create a stickier rice, which is perfect for sushi and for picking up with your chopsticks. Wash and drain your rice until the water runs clear, and then add fresh filtered water and measuring just to the first knuckle. That way you'll always have perfect rice. Place your rice on a high heat and bring it to a boil. Now we'll begin prepping our meat and vegetables for the robata. Once your rice has come to a boil, cover it again and reduce your heat to low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Making cucumber day pickles is easy. Chop some cucumber, soak it for about an hour in some salt, drain it, add a little bit of soy sauce and sesame seeds, mix it up, and it's ready to serve. Although technically a Korean pickle, kimchi is always a staple with our robata dinners. Umeboshi is a traditional Japanese pickled plum that's pickled with red shiso leaves. Very salty, but very tasty, and we add these to our robata dinners as well. And here we're adding furikake, which is seaweed and seasoning, and also nori, which is dried seaweed that we fold into little bite-sized pieces. Next, we slice our pork belly up. I like to use it a little bit frozen, so it's a little bit easier to cut. And we do leave the skin on our pork belly because it gives it a lot of flavor. After cooking for 20 minutes, check your rice, and if it looks good, cover it back up, take it off the heat, and let it sit for 10 minutes. And I'm picking some fresh green onions right from our garden to cut up to add to our robata. Now we're going to prepare the robata using a Shichirin, which is a ceramic grill that we will be adding binchotan charcoal to. You can use matches or a lighter, or in this case, a torch to start your charcoal. I'm going to be stir frying some snow peas and carrots together to add to our meal tonight, so just prepping those here now. After letting your rice sit for about 10 minutes, it should turn out a little bit sticky, but perfect. As you can see, our coals are nice and white hot, and it's ready to add our meat and vegetables for cooking. Of course, no Japanese dinner is complete without some green tea and a little bit of dessert.
Summer in Northern California.
If you'd like to get your own Shichirin and Binchotan charcoal, I'll put a link in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my videos as that helps the YouTube algorithm grow my channel. Until the next time, have delicious food, make great memories, and I'll see you guys in the next video.